apical cell, it will undergo one periclinal division and results in the formation of a uh, large layer of cell like this, okay, which is called as primary trabeculae and the antheridium or the antheridial initial. Now, so they undergo transverse division like this and results in the formation of a large group of the cells which are going to form, wait a minute. So which are going to develop into this structure, what we call it as the prothallus, a huge mass of tissue or a huge mass of tissue which is going to be developed. Now this you can see here, this is apical cell initials or the complete tissue develop into these many cells, followed by the meristematic basal cell, and the rhizoidal cell develops into the rhizoids. Okay, this is the structure of the prothallus you can see. Always remember that in the lycopodium, the prothallus is a heart-shaped structure. You can see this is a heart-shaped structure of the prothallus or the gametophyte we speak about. Now, so this mature thallus, it shows the presence of the archegonial initials and the antheridial initials, which are called as the sexual organs or the reproductive organs. Okay, so the archegonial initials, they develop into the flask shaped archegonia, and the antheridial initials, they develop into the antheridia, the globose antheridial structures. And below this, the entire tissue is of nutritive tissue going to produce the or we call it as a storage tissue, which stores the food material, and it will supply the food material to these developing reproductive organs. Now when we go for the life cycle here of the lycopodium, the archegonia or the antheridia, they are developing and producing the male uh, gametes, what we call them as the antherozoids, which are biflagellated. We can see the presence of two flagella here of the antheridia. From the antheridia, all these male gametes are going to be released, which is called as the antherozoids. Whereas the archegonia, these archegonia consists of the female gamete. In the venter of the archegonia, we can see the presence of the egg cell or the a female gamete, which we call it as the egg. Okay, after the maturity, the neck canal cell or the neck, it will all degenerate and giving, they are at the, they will liberate a mucilaginous substance, which by which these anthrozoids, they get attracted towards it, and then the male gametes will go and fuse with the egg which is present in the archegonia. You can see here, this is the archegonia. Okay, that leads to the fertilization. So you can see here, this is the archegonia, and within the venter you can see the egg cell, which is going to be fertilized by this antherozoid, and it will going to form a diploid zygote. Okay, this is a diploid zygote which is formed within the venter of the archegonia. Now this zygote, it will develop and it will break down into uh, various, it will undergo various divisions and forms the mature sporophyte. Okay, right. So you can see this is a complete life cycle of the lycopodium. So lycopodium, it is a sporophyte. On the lycopodium, we can see the presence of the formation of strobili. What is strobili mean? Strobili means what? Group of sporophylls, the leaves which are going to develop the sporangia. They all are grouped together and forming the, I'll show the previous slide here. This is called as the strobili. All the leaves, they are arranged, they are closely packed with one another and forming this a cone shaped structure or the strobili. Okay, next comes within the strobili, we can see this is, each one is a sporophyll. Okay, so what do you mean by a sporophyll? Sporophyll ante enti? The sporophyll, the leaf which is going to consist of the sporangia. This is called as a sporophyll. Okay. Now, what does this sporangia possess? From the sporangia, we can see the development or the formation. We can see the presence of the formation of the sporogenous tissue, which we call it as the spore mother cells. Sporangium. From the sporangium, we can see the presence of the spore mother cells. Now, from these cells, they undergo reduction division and they are going to produce a tetrad. Each spore mother cell will develop and produce a 4 number of spores, which we call them as the tetrad spores. Now these spores, they will develop into the next generation, which is called as the gametophyte or the prothallus. So the germination just now I told you. So how was this? So this is a prothallus structure, gametophyte. Now what does this gametophyte consist of? Call it as egg of the oosphere. Now these anthrozoids, they undergo fertilization with the egg and results in a diploid structure called as the oospore, or we are also calling it as the zygote, which is a diploid structure. This is a zygote. Now what this zygote will do? The zygote, by repeated divisions, it will form a ball-like structure or another structure, what we call it as the embryo. Within this embryo, the organogenesis occurs. Some of the cells will develop into here. This is a embryo, which is whereas some of these cells or the leaf initials, they develop into the stem and the leaves, and the rhizoidal initials, they develop into the rhizoids or the rhizome. Okay, that leads to the formation of a young sporophyte, which will develop into the adult sporophyte, what we call it as the Lycopodium sporophyte. So this is the, so I'm just stop sharing here. Right. So this is about the complete life cycle of the Lycopodium. So girls, if you have any doubts, you can just ask me. If any slide you want to be shown, I'll show this again. Sneha, Arshia, Meghna, or Anusha. Now, if you have any doubts, you can ask me, girls. So with this, we have completed this Lycopodium life cycle. So in the next class, we'll go with the another type study that is called as the Marsilia. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Right. So no doubts, ma? You want any slide should be first shared again with you? Anusha, Chapama, or Arshia. Any slide to be focused again?
No.
Okay. Then shall we leave?
Okay.
Right, ma'am. Okay, thank you. So I would have started with the another type study, but if I start, then time will not be sufficient. More 10 minutes are there. It will not be sufficient, but we'll continue within the tomorrow's class. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.